Under the theme, Climate Change, the Environment and Human Health, this year's international conference will offer discussion and networking opportunities for environmental health professionals, researchers, policymakers, students, and others. Executive Director of Carpha, James Hospedales, at a media briefing on Monday, provided more details.
So this is the longest running health conference in Latin America and the Caribbean, 62nd annual health conference. It's a major forum in the region where all health researchers get together from ministries of health, from academic institutions, from international partners to share research and promote how we use evidence to improve people's health and prevent death and suffering. I'm happy that with the government of Guyana, jointly with Carpha, the Caribbean Public Health Agency, we're putting on this conference here in Georgetown at the end of April.
Meanwhile, Chief Medical Officer, CMO of Guyana, Dr. Shamdeo Prasad, stated that this meeting will see all CMOs of CARICOM participating and focusing on tackling health issues which continue to impact the region.
Threat of yellow fever looms on CARICOM's doorstep, in Brazil and some other places. And with the wide travel of people, those diseases can easily spread. We have the right conditions. We have the mosquitoes, we have the people, susceptible population. So I think we provide for a very lucrative place for diseases to spread if we're not careful. So we want to look at these.
Dr. Prasad also pointed out that Guyana is still not out of the woods when it comes to infectious diseases, and keen attention needs to be placed on emerging and re-emerging viruses and infections. The conference will also cater for discussions in this regard.
I think a lot of what we see going on in terms of the diseases and the re-emergence and emergence of new diseases and so are related to these climate factors and the whole change, as the weather pattern changes, the ecosystem changes. They're more, we still have things like Chagas disease and leishmaniasis and so on. And with the movement and the change in weather, some of these bugs and so get carried to different environments, and they can start new cycle of disease transmission.
The 62nd Annual Health Research Conference of Carpha is slated for April 27 to 29 at the Guyana Marriott Hotel, Kingston, Georgetown. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingam.